Hey everybody! This video will go over distance between 2 points in a plane, exact answers. So we're given 2 points, D and A. D is at -4, 1, which is here. A is at 2, -5, which is here. So there's our 2 points, and we are needing to find the distance between them, so this distance. Now, luckily, we have a formula for that. Distance equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now, where is this coming from? Well, this is actually coming from the Pythagorean theorem, because we can make a triangle here. Now remember, this is D, right? These are our side lengths. Let's call them A and B. Now how do we get the side length A? Well, the side length A is in between these 2 points, and the x value, if we count them, is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? We can get that from taking x2 minus x1. That's how you find the distance between 2 horizontal points. Okay, the distance between these ones is just going to be similar. It's going to be that vertical distance, which we get from taking our 2 y values and subtracting them. So what is x2 and what is y2? We just need to make sure that whatever point we pick, we keep it consistent. Now, let's just call this our second point, because it was the second point given. So we're going to call this x2 and y2. And we're going to call this one x1 and y1. So x1 is -4, y1 is 1, x2 is 2, y2 is -5. So in order to find the distance, we're going to plug it in. It's going to be x2, or 2, minus x1. Now x1 is -4, so make sure you put in that in parentheses there, okay? Plus y2, which is -5, minus y1, which is 1, squared. Now this is all under the square root, right? So we're going to get the square root of 2 minus -4, which is 6. If you remember, that's how much we counted here. That was equal to 6, right? Plus, -5 minus 1 is -6 squared. Now, if we count here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, but we're going down, so that's why it turns negative. But then we square it. So it's going to be 36 plus 36. Which is the square root of 72. Now that can be simplified a little bit, because 72 is 6 and 12, and then 12 is 6 and 2. We have 2 6's here, so this becomes 6 square root 2. Now we can kind of check our work by saying, well, we knew this was 6 and this was 6 by counting, right? And going from there. So that is distance between 2 points in a plane. Exact answers.